Hello there, this is Juniel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Wix.com. So first you go to your browser and type in Wix.com over there and then click enter. Upon going to the login section, just click login and then write your email address that you usually use for creating your Wix.com account and then click continue with email. And then put in your password. For this email address that I'm using today, this is the password that I made for it. Okay? And then click login. Okay. Now, this is the general feature that you're going to see on the first page of Wix.com. So what you needed to do now is click create a new website or new site. This notification box is going to appear. So you don't really need or want to use AI. So just click on setup without AI. You know, AI is artificial intelligence, right? Now, upon reaching to this page, what you wanted to do is click on what kind of a website you want to create. So for example, you want a fashion boutique. So it's going to give you several suggestions on the drop-down menu over here. So let's say I wanted to use boutique clothing store right there. So click on next. And if you see this page right here, all you want to do is just skip everything. So click skip there, skip there, skip there, skip, and then click continue to dashboard. Now you click on design site right here. So you have two options to choose from. It's either you create your website on a totally blank slate. If you want to do that, you get started, just that one. Or if you want to make an easy way to recreate that what is already available there, you just click pick a template. So these are the different templates being suggested by Wix to choose from to create your boutique website. So for example, you want to check on this item right here. So there are two ways to do it. If you want to choose this already, you can click edit. Or if you want to view it first to see what's going on inside of it, then click view. So you are going to generally see everything that is there, okay? If you want to use this, then you click on edit this site. If you want to check other available template, then you just go back to the first page and look for other pages that you might like to use. So for example, let's view this one. I think I like this one. It's very colorful and very trendy. So if you finally choose this, just click on this button right here that says edit this site. So you're going to arrive at this page right here. What you can do is you can write anything you want to say about the website. So anything you want to say. So let's say you want to say, hey, this website is fabulous, for example, only, okay? Just to give you a way to try to navigate what you wanted to do. And of course, the type of site is a boutique clothing store, or you want to say it's a fashion arcade, whatsoever you want to write there is up to you, okay? Fashion arcade, something like that, whatever. Okay, and then you want to name your website. So, for example, you want to name it Get Real. Get Real. Get Get Real. Okay. So generate site text right there. So it's going to start creating those website for you that you chose to write on. So here it is. Now what you needed to do is just click on this to launch the quick edit. Click quick edit right there. And then for example, on the quick edit, you wanted to change this word moda into a different word. So let's say you click here, edit text, okay? So let's say you wanna write get real, okay? Now when you do that, this text setting here is going to appear, wherein you can change whatever the appearance you wanted to incorporate into that get real word. So, for example, you want get real to the real um, word to be red. You choose red over there. Okay. You can also try to change the fonts if you want to. Just highlight the word and then go to the fonts selection over here, and it's going to show you a lot of different um, choices. So for example, for this matter, you wanted to use, let's say this one, Signica. Okay. And then you want to change the color to something like purple. There you are. Okay. So that's basically what is going to be your new word. Now, there are instances when you type a very long word, for example. Okay. So for this matter, let's just change this color here to show you how it works. If this is going to be the case, you can align all of these different words, this get real fashion word, into a one line by dragging this button right here. Okay. Upon doing that, the fashion comes up and is now on the same alignment. Okay. So let's just make it simple. So I'm going to remove the fashion word and just try to return this button right here in order to isolate these two group of words right there. Okay. Now, you can do anything you want to do. For example, this picture right here, you want to change it. Okay. What you needed to do is click it. Come on, click it. Okay. Then change background. First, whatever is the background there, you can also um, make it move or have a navigation effect. Okay. So for that matter, let's say, for example, you want to do it like it's going to fade and comes back, or either it's going to pan out or fan out. That's not working. Okay, here, let me see. Parallax. So what I'm trying to show here is that all of these different kind of effects are available for you to choose from. If you wanted this picture here to move or to have a have a effect upon opening the website. So for now, let's click none, okay? So we wanted to choose this picture into a different one. So let's say change the background. When you click on that, there are three different ways to change it. First, you want to use color. For example, color. What you want to do is change everything into a green color right there, or a purple color maybe, a gray color, whatever you want. Okay, so that's an option. So let's say you choose this color. You're not so happy with it and you wanted to go back to its original version. So what you wanted to do is try to go on this undo button right here. So you undo it. And it goes back to its original picture. If you want to go back to the previous one, you can also redo it. Okay? Whatever you want to do, these two buttons are very important to help you go back and forth to different versions that you already tried to incorporate. Okay? So let's go back to its original picture. Another way to change this background is by using an image that you wanted to to put. So click image there. And there are two ways to do this. It's either you can choose a available image that is already here on Wix. So those images are either illustrations, you know, patterns, whatever, texture. So let's do on texture. For example, I wanted to use this one, gold, to change background. Come on, you have to change. Okay, so now it's gold. Okay, so I wanted to undo it. Go back to its original picture. Or you can also use a video if you wanted to. So, for example, you click the video and then this is the one you want to use. This one, for example, a peacock. Click on that and change background over there. And there you go. So this is a video. It actually moves when you are going to launch the finished product. Okay. So let's say I want to change it again into a different one, this one. Okay, change the background. So that's the background now. I wanted to see the the movement of this video that I chose. So click on preview right here. And now it's showing that this is going to be your background. It's actually moving if you look closer to it. Okay. So upon checking, if you are happy with it, you can just leave it like that. Or you wanted to change it again. So when you do that, this is the preview mode wherein your customer is going to see your website the way it is. So let's go back to editor right here. Okay, I'm not happy with that video, so I'm going to return to my previous picture right there. So let's say I want to use a different picture. So change background again. I want to use image. If the image that I wanted to use is my own image, then what I needed to do is go to this upload media right here. Okay. When you click upload media, you are going to see this box. So the whole thing is a drop and drag way of doing a website. So everything is convenient. Okay. So what I needed to do is just move that away in order for me to see what kind of pictures available there that I wanted to incorporate. So here is a picture that I wanted to use. So what I needed to do is just drag that inside this box right here And that is going to be available on my choices of pictures. So it will show you that it is uploading. Okay. So now it's uploaded on my folder. So what I wanted to do is use that picture by choosing it. Okay, here. Change background button right here. So there you go. Since the background is too big, so I got a somewhat crop picture. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to create a way for me to incorporate this in a different way. Hold on. Okay, for example, this picture right here. Okay, so I'm going to change the background. Click the change background again. And then upload an image. So I click image. I wanted to use a different picture. So what I wanted to do is, let me close this. Close, close this one. This is just to show you something, okay? So again, it's uploading. And let me drag this out to make it bigger. So the picture is uploading. So this is the picture now that I wanted to use. Change the background. Didn't do anything. Still the same. Oh, there. See? So it depends on what kind of pictures you want to use. It's going to show the way it is, okay? So this is just to illustrate the different kind of alignment that you can do with the whole thing. So let me undo it. That is only for the purpose of showing how it works, okay? Now, we're done with this background changes. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to check the different um, section on the whole website, okay? So for example, this one over here, I wanted to change this background right here, okay? So change background again. I want to use an image. The image I wanted to use is from my own file. So maybe I already have different files. So let me see if I have one. So site files. Okay, I wanted to upload media. Okay. So when uploading media, what you can do is you can do what I showed you before by dropping the picture down here. Okay. And do it one by one. So let's just wait for that. Is you see this um, thing here? Okay, it shows that it's trying to upload the whole picture. This one, I wanted to remove this already because it's not a good picture, so I just wanna move to trash, okay? There. So I have two pictures already. So I wanted to add more picture. So click upload media again, and I can do the same thing. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, it will take time a little bit, but you have to be very patient. Oh, Wait a minute. Okay. Now I have 3 pictures. Now all of these pictures are available, but there's another way of trying to do it more fast. So what you wanted to do is you just click, instead of dropping the picture from there to here, you just click upload from computer. Okay, click on that. And then I chose a folder. So these are the list of folders that are available on my desktop. Different folders, different pictures, mixed files. So this one I'm going to use Wang website folder because this is where all the different Wang pictures are available. So I can just put my cursor there and drag it like this to select all of those different pictures that are available for me. So this one I chose 2 to 17. Okay. So when you do that, just click on open right here. And then it will start to upload one by one. Okay. Every time a picture is done, it's going to appear on this section right here. And while it's still uploading, you are going to see those different movements that are showing on this square right here. Okay. Now, some of them are already uploaded and some are still uploading. So we just kind of want to wait for all of them to become available on this folder. All right. There's a plenty of pictures that I chose. So it's going to take some time. Just be patient and just wait for everything to pop up in this section right here. Coming. So the beauty of this website creator is that you don't really need to code anymore. You don't need to have a special degree in computer programming just to be able to use Wix.com because this is a very easy layman way of creating a website. So from the way it was, I think all of the pictures are already available on my folder. Okay, so I want to make this page bigger. So I'm going to drag this all the way over there to return it this original position. Okay, so these are all the available pictures that I have already. So I think I want to upload one more. Upload, come on. Upload media, upload from computer. Um, how about this one? Wait, I want to upload that one. Okay. Just be patient. So I'm choosing this one as a background to this one. Okay. There. So you can see that it's already there. So again, as I have showed you before, you can either undo it to return to its original version or redo it to bring you back to the version that you just made. Okay, this word here says accessories. So you see the S here is below the entire wordings over there because there is not enough room for it. So you just have to move this a little bit over there. So accessories is there now, okay? Again, we can change the whole thing by clicking edit text, okay? Since this is a very colorful background, so I wanted to use a bold color, like maybe let's say black, okay? You can also do a background for the whole thing. So this is the word accessories over there. Click edit text. Okay. And I wanted to put a background on that accessories word over there. So the background I wanted to use is red or yellow maybe. Here. See? So the word accessories is there with a yellow background. If I want to remove the yellow background, I can go to the edit text and just click the highlights background over there. And you can choose to click this one as no background. Okay, so no background. If I want to use background, click this and choose the color that I wanted to use over there. Okay, now this word, you can align it or relocate it somewhere else, because this one is blocking the face of this model right there. So I move it down here. Okay, maybe I want to change it into, let's say, beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Wait, beautiful. How do you spell beautiful? Okay, there. Beautiful girl, for example. Okay. And now again, you can change the fonts if you want to. Just click on the different kinds of selections of fonts right there. Okay, let's try something very scrolly, something like that. Let's change the color into flaming red. Okay, and I have a background there, so I'm going to change the color of the background. Oh no, I have to remove it. So let me put it back. Click on that. What is a good contrast for? How about white? Okay, something like that. Okay, there you go. So you're able to change the background of this section right there. How about this one? Yeah, let's say I want to change this background too. So I want to change it with a video. Okay, a video. So let's say, click on that. Um, how about these are all the videos that are available right here. Um, okay. How about this one? A surfer. Um, this one, a jellyfish. Okay, I want to see what this looks like. Oh, there you go. So now there's a jellyfish on this column right here. So these are two different columns, one with a normal picture as a background, and the other one is a moving background. This is a jellyfish swimming. So I want to see how this looks like. So when you are able to change everything you want to incorporate, upon doing that, what you wanted to do is go to preview right here. So it will show you how it looks like. Okay. Oh, there you go. Ha! Isn't it amazing? Wow, look at that. Jellyfish is swimming. Okay. All right. So I'm just gonna leave it that way, so you will know that the changes I made is a new one. Okay. So let's go back to the editor now. And let me change this. For example, I don't want this at all. It has nothing to do with the background. So what you can do is just click that and then you can delete it. Okay? Totally. There you go. Or if you want to return it, put it back again, you just undo it. There you are. How about if I change this into a different picture again? So click edit image, okay? And you will be brought back to, oh, well, this is edit image. If you don't want to change the image, you just want to edit the image that is already there. So this is what you need to do. So how do you make it bright? Okay, these are the different way how to edit it. I'm just showing you just in case. Okay, highlights, whatever. Adjust. What is this? Or enhance. Filter. I don't know. Oh, there you are. So I want to filter it. Let me use this one over here. Wow. Yellow. See? Cut out. You, you add an element over it, like a text maybe. You want to write something, you can write something there too, okay? So you just basically try to uh, eh, to practice, okay? So whatever you wanted to do on this picture right here, don't forget to save it right there so that you retain all the changes that you wanted to incorporate into that new picture. Okay, now here it is. If I am not happy with it, I can still change the image and maybe use this one right here. How about this one? Okay, click on that and click change the background or change image. See, there's a lot of ways to beautify your website. Okay, you can do that. You can also delete it if you want to. Okay, so I delete it, or I wanna put it back again, so I'll undo it there. See, easy. Now this, you already know what to do with the different text. If you wanted to change them, just click edit text right here and do anything you wanna do, okay? Says get 10% off on your first purchase. So why don't I make it 20%, okay? And this is black, so I wanna make it pop up. So let me change it into there, a green olive color. That's better, okay? Now, I want also to show you that there are different buttons that are already in your website to begin with. So for example, this button right here that says Shop Now. What you needed to do is click on that. It's either you want to change the text. So if it says Shop Now, maybe you want to say, how about Buy Now, okay? Something like that. Uh, and also, you can change the background of the button itself. So click on that. Okay, to be able to change the layout, you can click layout over there. No, I wanna change the design. Okay, so this is invisible background. So I wanted to use this one. See? Now it's different. Or how about this one? This one. See, anything you want to change, you can always try to make a selection. Say hello. So actually, it's either you can change the background of the button, or you can also change the color of the text itself. So let's say change text. So it says buy now. Okay. I want to change the color of the text or I don't know. Wait a minute. Layout. Oh, see, you can also change the layout of the word inside the button. So you wanna do it this way where it's all on the left side or on the right side or on the middle side. That is for the button layout, okay? So it's either you do that, you can also add a link to it. So link set means that whatever is linked into this towards this button, if the customer clicks it, it is going to lead you to that page. So let me see. For example, I wanted to um, link that to a different, okay, here. So get real. Let me show you. So this is a link that I wanted to incorporate into that button, for example. Wait, let me close this up. Come on. So let me see. I wanna show you how it works. Okay, this one, for example. This is a page. So I wanna copy paste that, copy that, okay, and go back to that page there. So I wanted to link that page on this button right here. So you click on the link icon over there, okay? So the page that I wanted to use is the one that I copied before. So what I wanted to do is um, category page, and then hold on. A web address, because that's a different address, okay? It's a web address, so I'm gonna put the one that I copied before and paste it here. So let me click done, okay? Now let me show you what happens. So upon linking that page right there, I wanted to see if it's working. So what I wanted to do now is go to preview right there. Okay. See, this is the one that I incorporated the link before. So let me click on that. There you go. It went to that page. Okay. So that's how you do it. Okay. So this is on a preview mode. So I already saw what's going to happen if I click this buy now button when I went to this website. So let me go back to the editor, okay? So I am just trying to show you how to make a link, okay? So it's either I'm not happy with the link, so I want to remove it. So click on the link icon over there again, okay? So this was the link that I used before. Now I wanted to remove it. So all you have to do is click none. So you don't have a link. So if you go to the preview, even if you click this, nothing will happen to it. Or if you wanted to link this to another part of your website, you can also do it. Let's say, for example, link, I wanted okay, a phone number, for example. Okay, so a phone number is 347-720-0067. Okay, done. So let's go to the preview of it. Okay, this is now the preview. So if I click that, it's supposed to say call now, okay? So if you click call now, it will give me this option. Okay, open FaceTime. So it's going to call, oh my goodness, that's me. Okay, it's calling me. That's why my face pop up. All right. I don't know why did that happen. instead of calling my cell phone, it showed my face. Okay, so now we're back to the editor. So everything that you made, you just want to save everything right here. Click save. And then when you click save, it's going to show you this dialog box, okay? What you wanted to do is write the kind of website you want to call it. So let's say you want to call it Get Real. Okay, so save and continue. So everything that you do is going to be saved. And then when you're ready to publish it and make it live, what you needed to do is click publish right here. Okay. Then it says, congratulations, your site is published and live online. And then you want to view the site. So this is the actual site that is going to show on your desktop or your cell phone. Okay. So you wanted to copy that and send it to somebody on uh, on Messenger. So click on that, paste. Wait a minute, let me send it. Send. So this is the website. So upon receiving it, all the receiver needs to do is just click that, and the website is live. Okay. So this is now the website with all the different changes that you made before. See how beautiful it is. Okay. So let me just close this website. I'm just showing you that it's already live. All right. Okay. This is the website. Okay, this is where we were before. Oh, here. You can actually also edit the mobile version of this website. So click edit mobile site here. Okay. When you click on that, it's going to bring you to this mobile version. On the mobile version, you can do anything you want to do. Okay. So let's, for example, this, I wanted to move it, or I wanted to make it bigger, something like that. Okay. Smaller, something like that. I want to bring it towards the middle, something like that. Okay. So you can see that there is a guide over there. So this line over here says that you are in the middle and you are on the header section of the whole page. Okay. So it shows you a guide line. Okay. If I am not happy with what I did, all I have to do is just go back to undo. Come on, undo there. Okay. You can do anything you want to do over here also. But let me tell you this, you cannot change anything here. Okay. You can only try to move the different portions of it or the different sections of it, but you cannot change the word. You cannot change the color, the fonts. No. If you wanted to change the color, the fonts, change the backgrounds, you have to go back to the desktop version. So here are two icons here on the side. This is the mobile version and the desktop version. So just click on the desktop version over there. Okay. And you are here. Now this is where you can try to make changes like this one. Okay. Change that whole thing there into, wait a minute, here. Change the fonts. change the color of the fonts. I want to put, hold on. I want to, okay, that's it. So again, you can change the different pictures that are already here. So let's say, for example, this one, accessories. So I wanted to change that. So I'll click Manage Media. Okay. So these are the different pictures. So I want to select all of them. Wait. I wanted to remove them one by one because they're not the pictures that I wanted to show there. So there are 4 pictures here. So I want to remove all of them. So this is already blank now. And I want to add something. Okay, so what I wanted to do is add an image to it. So here are the images that are available for me to use. Okay, so for example, I want to use this one. Okay, so add to gallery. There are 4 before, so I wanted to add more. Add more media. So click image. This one. Add to gallery. Okay, then add more media. Image. This one. Add to gallery. Okay, add media. One more. Image. How about this one? Perfect. Okay. So if I'm done, if I want to add more, I can add more. But if I'm done with it, then just say done. Okay. There you go. They're all there. Very nice. How about makeup? Okay. So you basically know already that all of these are available for you to change. Okay. So let's see this one over here. Quick edit. Okay. So this one I want to change. Okay, this section over here. I want to change the section background. Change. Oh, okay. Let me see. I want to use that one. See? I want to use another color or another design. This one. Okay. So everything you can basically change whatever you wanted to incorporate towards it. Okay. So that's all for now. The next video that we're going to make is how to put different products on your website. Okay, so I hope you understood everything right now. This is Junrial, and see you on the next video. Thank you.